Welcome. If you're looking to drive more traffic from Pinterest to your website, blog, or shop, adding a link to your pin is the way to go. In this updated guide, I'll show you the simple steps to add a link to your pin using the Pinterest app. Whether you're promoting your latest product, sharing a helpful article, or just want your followers to find more of your content, this quick tutorial will help you get it done in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you straight to your Pinterest profile where all your pins are stored. Next, tap on the Pins tab to see all the pins you've created. Scroll through your pins and find the one you want to add a link to. Tap on that pin to open it up. Now, look for the 3 dots in the top right corner of the pin. Tap on those dots to open up a menu of options. From this menu, tap Edit Pin. This will bring up the editing screen where you can make changes to your pin's details. On the editing screen, you'll see a field labeled Add Link. Tap on this field, and a keyboard will pop up so you can enter the link you want to attach to your pin. Type in the full URL. Make sure it's correct so your followers can reach the right destination. Once you've entered your link, double-check it for any typos. When you're ready, tap Save in the top right corner. That's it. Your pin now has a clickable link, making it easier for your audience to discover more of your content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.